guys, wow, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Wow, char. This video is super spontaneous kasi meron akong na-receive today from Lazada and naisip ko lang, gusto ko siyang gawa ng video. So this is a open natin, open. By the way, I already sanitized this nung pagdating. So, no worries. And I just bumili ako ng new wallpapers. I'm so happy! Oh my god, tignan nyo! This is a PVC wallpaper. Wow! Super super kapal. Ito yung wallpaper. Oh my god! Ganda siya. Ito yung isa, yung binili ko. Wood type. So, ito, dalawa binili ko na wallpaper. So, for the price, I'm just gonna put it in the screen kay nalilimutan ko kasi kung magkano. And maganda yung pagka-packaging kasi secure yung product mo, hindi siya matutumpi ba yun ka na mapilok, mabasa ka na siya. So, kaya ako naisipang i-video or film ito kasi I will be transforming this one. Yung available kasi na colors, especially if laminated, hindi masyadong gaano kadami or wide yung choices. And we bought this at Ace Hardware and ito lang yung kulay na available niya. At saka, so, sale yun siya nung nabili namin. So, I'm just gonna transform it. I'm just gonna change the kulay nito by using the wallpaper kasi mahirap mag-paint pag laminated yung furniture. You need to have a lot of maraming process at saka ayoko yung smell ng for wood na paint. Hindi yung for wood, yung nilalagay before ka magpi-paint. Meron kasi yung parang strong na smell. Kasi I've tried it on the room renovation I had before sa cabinet ko. Laminated din yung cabinet ko at saka change namin ang color from brown to white. So yun, matagal yung process at saka yung aunt ko lang yung nag-paint, si Mami Joy. Hi Joy! So for this one, we'll just use this one. So we'll see mag-complement ba siya sa kulay dito. So let's start! Ito yung i-transform natin. So I think I'm gonna use ano yung maganda? Ito or ito? Ano natin? This super oh no! Wala na akong tissue. White first before natin ang maganda kasi sa wallpaper, you don't have to worry sa pag-cut kasi sa likod meron na siyang ito, yung parang cutting niya, measure. Ito, pakita ko. These wallpapers are self-adhesive. Self-adhesive na siya, so you don't have to worry about kung ano ilalagay nyo na mga paste. Mas gusto ko to, so ito na lang yung gagamitin ko. Yan. Tapos tsaka lang yan. Ganon. Slowly but surely. Time, dito naman. Tanggalin natin to. Ito. Yung white wallpaper ko, nilagay ko dito. Oh my gosh. O, yan. So, ganun lang natin. Ganon. Tada! So nice. Next natin is itong ilalim dito. So, mag-measure muna tayo. And it's done. As as you can see. Oh, diba? Yay! So, it's finally done. And I'm going to put it back right there. Diha, dapita. The aftermath. So, meron ako nakita na extra nito. So, nilagay ko na lang dito para uniform. Uniform. So, eto hindi ko pa nagamit. And, hanapan ko ng kung saan ko yan gagamitin. And, yeah, ito na. Natapos na rin. Before I end this video, I would like to ask for your help. Wow, char. So, this is my old desk wallpaper. Ito, yung parang marble siya. And I'm thinking of palitan siya nitong ASHWOOD. Please help me decide, should I change it to this one or should I stick with my old wallpaper? Thank you in advance for helping me out. Just comment it down. So, that's it for today's video. And I hope you enjoy this very spontaneous lang na video, because when I got the parcel, I was like, hala, maganda siya i-film kasi or i-document kasi gusto ko makita yung before and after, of course. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Bye! See you on my next one.